in one Monday morning. We found a bag hanging on the door with a couple of cans of this Stufff lubricant that somebody left us for a sample, and we used it and found that the stuff was worked really well for rusted bolts and a little bit of a spray. And every time I tried it, it works really well on breaking up rust and getting out a seized bolt. It's a great stuff. We used it all up, and they seem to send us some more now, and we continue to use it. It's great product, Canadian made, and it does a great job. Better than I thought it would. I thought being organic, it wasn't going to be as good as a solvent-based product, but this works, I think, better than the solvent-based product I've used before in the past. Yeah, well, for sure. I'd rather have, not afraid to get this on your hands or on your skin and harm you. All 100% organic. It seems to work really well. It has a good smell to it, odor to it. It doesn't stink. And we also have gun and tool stuff, which they call a cleaner lubricant and protector. And I cleaned some of my tools with it and tried it. It works good. It doesn't leave a greasy residue after.